Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this is my newly built TV06 machine and it's currently printing. So let me take a quick walkthrough as what I've installed into this machine. So there is a door here, and to open it I have installed some custom made latches. This is a BTT 5-inch screen, and the base is the bottom panel is plexiglass, and it's covered with acrylic plexiglass all around, and there is a camera here. It's printing well for now. Here are the handles, and here I have installed 3 switches. So the first switch here is for the light. So you can see it's currently lit up. So lights are attached at the top, lights on both sides. And the second switch is for the fan. So I have installed exhaust fan here to filter to exhaust all the fumes of ABS, and also to keep the chamber cooler during printing PLA. So I currently switched it off. And the third one is for this front TV06 lights. This is currently how it looks when it's lit up, and it would look better during dark. I should have installed an emergency switch here, and here I have installed a small door. It's similar to that. It has couple of latches, and to quick access the spool here, I can change it, and here is a printed spool holder. So it's relatively smooth, gets the job done. So from here I can quickly change the spool or do something, and here there is a tube, what's called, this is the back portion. It's kept relatively simple. So here is the exhaust fan, and I have a cover for it for printing ABS or such materials with films. And here is the pipe, the BTT pipe, and here is the box. The same controller that Sovol has provided for SV06. So I have just enclosed it and put the same fan here. And except that I tried to keep it as clean as possible, but so there are lots of wires here, like this is for the microcontroller wire here, and this is for the camera wire, and this is for the touch screen. So hence there are lots of wires here. And from this side it's nothing fancy. It's currently printing. And below that I have installed the bamboo fix. So it's the bamboo clone, and it's currently printing. So that's it, and I've installed a silicone feet here for the bed, and that's it for this TV06 machine. Let me know in the comments how you like it and if you have any opinions. So thank you.